Hey guys. Hi guys, hope you are doing fine. Welcome back. So I want to introduce this video. I don't want this video to be all over the place. So we went on a lunch date with my friend Ruth, and then we went to Huda Beauty, and that's the clip which I have showed you, and us having, you know, some girl talk. And then I want to share with you what I got from Huda Beauty. I only got a lip gloss and lipsticks, and I love them all. They come with this packaging, so like it was buy one and get one free. I don't know if they still have this sale on Fridays. You can check them out, Rich Beauty on Instagram by Huda. So I'm going to show you a shorter clip showing you the breakdown of the cost of each and everything. And I love the packaging, orange. I love orange. And so guys, this is what I got from them, from Rich Beauty. These four, I'm going to swatch them, but I don't think I'm going to apply them. So this is how they look, and I think I'm going to open them so that I can show you. So I got a clear gloss and a red one. I don't know the lid. These are red one. I'm going to swatch for you. I'm not going to apply them today. I'm going to swatch for you so that you can see this, how this one looks. And I think it's so cute. These are clear one, guys. Like, I will not swatch the clear one. Wow, this is lava, and this lava has a very nice pink. I love this pink, which almost looks like this one. This one is Chanel. Can you see the difference, guys? So this is the famous vamp, and this is how this looks. Like, they almost look, the shade is almost the same. This one is Royalty. Looks like a purple pinkish undertone, and that is how it looks. Almost the same as vamp, but it's not the same. And the red, this one is Luscious. This one is a red one, and I just had to swatch them so that you can see after they dry out, that is how they looks. Love them. I love them. Oh, I wanted to pakai. So guys, I decided to apply the red one. I'm not going to line my lips. I'm going to use you as my mirror. This is Luscious red, and that is how it looks. Love it. So me using natural lighting, this is how this one looks. Love it. So let me put the lighting on. So then I passed through the supermarket, and So guys, last time I shared with you the Nice and Lovely lotion. I think this lotion is underrated. The glow, guys, the glow of these lotions. So I think wakati walileta hizi, these ones, they disappeared. They are so moisturizing. This is the real deal. This one, like I am unable to choose. So after I finished these ones, I went ahead and I got this one. So I got this one and I'm going to do a review because nimezitumia mingi. This is Radiant Growth 48 Moisture Long Cocoa Butter and Rose, and I love this. A new one. This is a new one. I think most people wametumia hii, so wameleta hii, and let me tell you Maina, this one, the smell is rose and cocoa butter. If you know how rose smell, that is exactly the way it smells. And let me show you. It's so thick. This one is so thick, and also this other one. Inanukia poa. This one is a cocoa butter. Smells exactly like cocoa butter. So nice, and it's also radiating on the skin, radiant, and they're saying it reduces stretch marks. I don't know about that, but it's so moisturizing. The consistency of this one, it's so thick, but this one is light. This one is light. Let me show you. You see there it's coming out, so you have to be very careful. Unaenda kupaka tu inatoka yote. And this one is brownish because ni cocoa butter, lakini zote, they are so moisturizing. I love them. And then I've been looking for these Nice and Lovely Nourishing Carrot Oil. I did have the 400 ml, but nikasema let me take the 200 ml so that I can try it out. And let me tell you, this one is so moisturizing. People are also vetting like this is the best of all, but I cannot say which one is the best because nimezitumia zote. This one is not thick. You see the consistency, it's a very light consistency and moisturizing. Angalia. See the difference, guys. Now the glow. Can you see the glow? By the way, guys, this one is no need of using glycerin. Look at the glow on my skin. See the difference. So I just wanted to to show you the new buys. So I got this one, Nivea Energy Micellar Water. I don't know what it means by energy. It's a new one still. I haven't even used it. Hope it has that energy. I think has that energy for glowing skin. And it's niacinamide, okay, and cranberry. Oh, so I'm yet to try this one out. So I got this Nivea Black and White Antiperspirant Roll On. Yeah, I love this one as well. And I wanted a contour palette and I was advised to get this one. This one was going for 1200 shillings. And this is how it looks. I love I think this one is too dark for me to contour with it, but I love the words. I love the highlighter. The bronzer highlighter, I love it. I love the highlighter. So this was going for 1,800 shillings. Maybelline Lasting Fix Spray. Love this one as well. It's so hydrating. And lastly, I got the phone. No, walinipia cool tan. I wanted a phone and I didn't even notice. Anyway, so hope it goes sound. I think this one is too light, but I'll use it to highlight. I didn't want this one. Anyway, guys. that is it, guys, for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video out, and zip it out.